Hello and welcome back to my channel Lux Insider with Anita Khatri. Today I'm wearing this lovely suit which is embellished by none other than Falguni Shane Peacock. And this morning I had literally few seconds only to choose from my wardrobe of watches which watch I can match with this outfit. And the safest bet for me whenever I get confused and I have very little time in my hands to decide which watch I should wear for this outfit and I'm not planned earlier, I went for my Omega Constellation. Now this watch's versatility is to another level. I mean, it's just no brainer whenever you are wearing when you want a watch to match with your outfit. Maybe it is silver, it's diamonds, it's gold. This was embellished with a lot of sheen, and it's a light blue color. I just felt this was the safest. Now the watch when I bought this one, it was in 2005 or so. It is the 22 mm MOP Omega Constellation watch. Um, when I say MOP is mother of pearl dial, 22 mm was rather small in that time. But I was just beginning to get into watches, and I felt that this watch was not only a conversation starter because this design is recognized with it's a full bar. When I say full bar, it is gold. Wherever there is purity in gold, and there are these claws which are on 3 and 9. These claws now are design elemented. 1980 is when the Omega Constellation design was conceived, but 1982 is when this particular design, picked up and it came into, it was introduced, and it's a quartz moment. So it was it was just the ideal watch for me to. When I started collecting my watches, I thought this was very, very, very nice to invest, right investment, I would say. I actually didn't even think it was an investment, but today when I look back, if I sell this watch, obviously I will not only recover the money that I've invested, I will also make some profit. Reason I bought this watch that time, as I explained earlier to you, it was a conversation starter. But beside that, I loved two things in this watch. One was the horseshoe.
Although the Omega logo is derived from the 24th and last letter of the Greek alphabet, for me it reminds me of a horseshoe-like symbol, which is universally a symbol of good luck.
And I was just beginning in the world of watches and I wanted that luck. So I felt very safe. And the second thing is that the case back.
The case back is stamped with the Constellation Observatory medallion along with the stars.
And I felt that was perfect combination for me. So I just blindly bought this watch and never regretted. Although I can make profit, I don't think so. I'm going to sell this watch. I will probably wear it rest of my life. What do you feel about Omega Constellation? Do let me know. And if you like this video, do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and do leave your comments below.